Hello everyone. So today I'm just going to talk about the harsh reality that no one wants to talk about. So you have gone to campus and you have done a 4-year computer science degree course. After the 4 years, you have completed your course and you just want to go and get something you can do. Probably you want a good job in tech or something similar to that. So you have tried to do freelancing work while you're getting clients, or you're just going to get to recruiters. And the one thing all of them they are saying is send me at least some of your projects you have done previously. You don't have any full stack application or any full stack project that you can show off. At least the ones you have are incomplete and they are on localhost. So if you have been in this scenario, I understand. And this is what the university don't talk about, or they don't teach about when it comes to computer science. They don't teach you how to build complete production-ready applications. They don't teach about very important features that we always look into an MVP application, like payment integration or authentication. They don't teach about deploying and scaling applications. They don't talk about new frameworks that actually companies use. For instance, you might be knowing Java, or you're knowing maybe Django, maybe if you have tried so hard. But then startups, they want to save, they don't have much money to spend, so they are looking at these frameworks which are aiming at saving. So you find yourself in this scenario whereby you're looking for a job and you don't have anything you can show off. And if you're self-taught, that is even makes matters worse. You have a bunch of incomplete projects, you are in tutorial hell, you don't have any mentor, you don't know how to navigate what to do next. I've been in this kind of scenario because I'm a self-taught developer, that I've at least tried to navigate myself, and up to now where I've built my own company and done a lot of these applications, and I'm earning a living through this. So I know what I'm talking about. And sort of this, we have a number of things, but the easiest one and the one that you can just simply quickly get in today is we are launching a full stack bootcamp that is going to take 1 month. You simply don't have to commit maybe to a 1-year course that we have at This Hub, but you can first get into this bootcamp that we are going to do in 1 month. So you can commit only 1 month, and it's going to be also only the evening hours. So you can try it out and see how it is going to work for you. And we're going to look at building a REST API. We're going to look at deploying applications. And at the end of the day, we're going to build an e-commerce with actually payments. We're going to look at PaySapar, integrating PaySapar payments, and also Stripe. So this gives you a future list. You could just like first try this, give it a try for 1 month. And if you like this, you can actually just join us at this hub, and we do build applications with you. So thank you. I'm just going to leave a link for the bootcamp so that you can just check it out. You don't have anything to commit for now. Just check it out, and if something you can just dive in, let me know. Thank you so much.